Alrighty, what's going on today, you guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Intellitouch PT30 Classic Clip-On Tuner. It's a solid little tuner. It's an old school chromatic tuner for sure, compared to a lot of the other ones I use, but I really like it, you know. It works like a charm, does its job nicely, and we use it, you know, just about on every bass and guitar in the studio. As you can see right now, we have it clipped on right here to a little Fender Telly, and yeah, it's really nice. You can use it for pretty much about any instrument with a headstock. I'll talk about that. Let's talk about the design first. So as you can see, you have this nice and big backlit LED face that displays the tuning. So I'll pop that up right there. You guys can kind of get a look at it. So then you play a note, it recognizes it right there. Really cool. Tunes chromatically as well, so you can use it for pretty much any wild and crazy tuning that you can think of. You're not just limited to your standard tunings on different instruments. The LED, you know, also has, you have multiple color options which you can change through the back. Can't even reach my hand around. It's really hard to tell, honestly, with it through the camera, but yeah, you can switch them around. It basically just gets a little brighter and a little darker. The actual tuner itself is made of a really lightweight plastic. Yeah, it's definitely it's very lightweight. You could easily travel around with this, transport it from place to place, and it's really nice. You can't even feel the added weight on the headstock of your guitar, so even if you were at a gig or something and we're playing or whatever, it wouldn't feel different or uncomfortable or weird or anything. It's basically, it's like having nothing on it. The clamp is pretty strong as well. It stays on really nicely. Actually, a lot stronger than even some of the Snart tuners, which are some of the really popular clip-on tuners. This clamp is incredibly powerful. It also has these little nice, of course, the rubber cushions on the inside, and this is what's gonna basically protect the headstock of your guitar from getting scuffed and scratched and whatnot. So you can put that on there. Yeah, but it clamps really well. And this is because the arm is made out of some sort of metal material right here. So it's a little bit stronger than the head, which is cool. You also have the dual, you can barely see it in there, there's a dual ball and socket kind of design, so you can easily manipulate the head to turn it different ways. And that's essentially, basically just so you can see it from whatever angle you're at, which is cool. As for the battery on this thing, or how it's powered by a lithium coin, so essentially what you would power a watch through or with. Honestly though, I cannot remember the last time that I had to change it either, because this thing just really lasts forever, and it doesn't use that much power to begin with. So I think we've had this in there for a very long time. Definitely a very long time, because I can't even remember ever changing it, and no one else has. So as for the actual use, coming back around to it, this uses the vibration of the instrument to work, and this is why I love these kinds of tuners so much. So essentially what's happening is you hit a string, kind of a little demonstration maybe. So you hit a string. Now what it's going to do is it's going to pick up that string. It's saying sharp right now, so it's saying a little sharp, and then as you switch it, so you can see now it says it's flat. So what it's doing is it's picking up the vibrations of the string through the wood, and it ignores the background noise, anything else that's going on in the room, which is cool. So it tunes using only the instrument. And and the cool thing is it'll pick up any instrument with headstock, anything with a wooden headstock. Or I'm sure if you had some crazy carbon guitar that you could do that too. But yeah, violin, ukulele, mandolin, guitar, bass, really anything. But yeah, overall I would say if you're looking for a good little tuner, this one's solid. I mean, it does its job. It's lightweight, it clips on really well, and I really can't complain about anything. Again, this is the Intellitouch PT30 Classic Clip-On Tuner, and yeah guys, stay in tune. It's very important. Alright, take it easy.